Damaged nails? These Korean ingredients change everything. Korean beauty is known for its ingredient focus. But what does that actually mean when it comes to your nails? Today, we are going beyond the philosophy and getting into the specific ingredients that K-Beauty Nail Care uses, what they do, and why they represent a genuinely different approach to nail health. Part 1. The philosophy. K-Beauty combines efficacy, design, and storytelling. The product has to work, but it also has to look and feel intentional. What makes it distinctive is that the ingredient is never an afterthought. It is the starting point of the entire product development process. In nail care specifically, this means asking a question that most Western nail products have not historically asked. What does the nail actually need to be healthy, and how do we deliver that effectively over time? Part 2, the ingredients that matter in nail care. This is the core of what K-Beauty is doing differently in nail care. Let us go through the key ingredients and what they actually do. Hydrolyzed keratin. Keratin is the main structural protein your nail is made of. When nails are damaged from repeated sets of acrylics, gels, or press-ons, that structure weakens over time. Hydrolyzed keratin that has been broken down into smaller molecules, helps reinforce and smooth the nail surface. It does not rebuild the nail from scratch, but it acts as a film former that temporarily fills in weak spots, reduces surface roughness, and improves the overall texture and resilience of the nail. Think of it like a protective layer that also nourishes. Hydrocolloid. This is one of the more innovative delivery systems making its way into nail care from the world of wound care and dermatology. Hydrocolloid is a medical-grade material that maintains sustained contact with a surface and delivers active ingredients over time. In skincare, it is used in acne patches. In wound care, it is used to protect and heal damaged tissue. In nail care, it allows ingredients like keratin to stay in contact with the nail for hours rather than minutes, which fundamentally changes how much absorption can happen. Extended contact time is everything when it comes to ingredient efficacy. Ceramides. Ceramides are lipid molecules that play a key role in maintaining the skin barrier, and they are increasingly being used in nail care for the same reason. Nails need moisture balance just as much as skin does. Dehydrated nails are brittle, more prone to breaking, and take much longer to recover from damage. Ceramides help the nail retain moisture and maintain its natural flexibility. A nail that is well hydrated bends under pressure rather than snapping. Panthenol, provitamin B5. Panthenol is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the nail and keeps it there. It has long been used in hair care for exactly this reason. It improves the elasticity and smoothness of the hair shaft, and the same logic applies to nails. Used consistently, panthenol helps maintain the moisture balance that keeps nails flexible and resistant to breakage. Hydrolyzed proteins. Beyond keratin specifically, hydrolyzed proteins from sources like wheat and soy also play a role in nail reinforcement. They fill in ridges, smooth the nail surface, and improve overall texture. They work alongside keratin to create a more resilient nail surface that holds up better to daily wear. Part 3. Why delivery matters as much as the ingredient. Here is something that does not get talked about enough. Having the right ingredient is only half the equation. How that ingredient is delivered to the nail, and for how long it stays in contact, determines whether it actually does anything. This is where K-Beauty Nail Care genuinely innovates. The concept of extended contact time, the same idea behind nail slugging and behind hydrocolloid delivery systems, is central to why Korean nail treatments perform differently from a quick coat of hardener that dries in 2 minutes. 5 minutes of contact gives an ingredient almost no time to absorb. 8 to 12 hours of contact, the kind you get from a treatment worn overnight, gives those same ingredients a fundamentally different opportunity to work. That is not a trend. That is basic chemistry applied thoughtfully to nail care. K-Beauty Nail Care is not more effective because it is Korean. It is more effective because it starts with the right questions. What does the nail need? What ingredients deliver that? And how do we keep those ingredients in contact long enough to actually work? That is the thinking behind Busan Bear. Give this video a like and subscribe for more Korean beauty content.